Hi, I'm John. Today we're taking a look at the Redback fire horn speaker and sound projector. Redback's range of speakers have been engineered to meet Australian standard ISO 7240 for building evacuation systems. They are widely used in schools, train and bus stations, airports, car parks and industrial facilities. These speakers are a result of hundreds of hours of research and development by Redback to develop a horn driver capable of meeting the stringent audio frequency requirements of the standard, without the need for any external equalization from the PA system. They deliver high SPL and superior speech intelligibility for building evacuation systems. Combined with installation time-saving features, let's take a look. Both the Redback horn and sound projector have a twist-lock rotating rear cover for making cable termination faster. The cover unlocks with a simple twist, allowing full access to the cable glands and transformer terminals. Once the cabling has been terminated, the cover twists back onto the speaker and is secured with a single screw. Both speakers are constructed from flame-retardant UV stabilised plastic and are IP66 rated for outdoor use. They are available in grey, white or black. The mounting bracket has been designed with a dog-leg bend to allow for drill clearance. This eliminates the need to remove the bracket from the horn during the installation process. For the latest range of approved Redback fire speakers, visit redbackaudio.com.au.